which I think is pronounced as exquisite. And coming from Nanyang Polytechnic, please welcome Exquisite with the theme Reimagining Culture Tourism, Live It, Fuse It, Hype It! Once again, please welcome Nanyang Polytechnic!
Selamat siang para juri dan para tamu yang kami hormati. Kami Exquisite Stay dari Singapura dan kami akan mengadakan Cultural Express, festival pameran pariwisata budaya yang immersive.
Good afternoon, Exquisite Stays. We are Exquisite Stays from Singapore. Culture Express is Asia's first 4-day immersive cultural tourism festival exhibition where AI, heritage, and sustainability converge. Our promise?
Live it.
Fuse it.
Hype it. Visitors don't just watch culture, they take part in it.
Today's landscape is fragmented. Culture experiences market experience and sustainability as a co-creation hub where visitors prototype, partner skills, and outcomes last. Studies have shown that 74% of visitors now prioritize culture over sightseeing. 40% of global travel is now cultural tourism, and 67% of them seek experiences relating to sustainability. And Culture brings all this together into one transformative festival.
We engage 3 different groups: cultural tourism stakeholders who co-create content, Gen Z and millennials who seek authentic cultural tech experiences, and families and students who enjoy hands-on workshops.
Our objectives are clear and outcome-driven, foster collaborations among destinations, institutions, and partnerships, apply AI and XR for accessibility and data-driven storytelling, and build communities through living digital archive that sustains participation and ownership. Year 1 targets are explicit with 20,000 visitors, with an audience mix of Gen Zs, millennial students, and families. Our engagement targets about 80% workshop field, 60% AR and VR participation, and more than 75% satisfaction.
Alright, judges, we'll now be handing over to you a mock-up of our event passport. Swipe to your right, judges. Complete all 12 activities where you can receive 1 free plushie, which is already on your table. So over the 4 days, guests will journey through Live It, Fuse It, Hype It, and with workshops, performances, pavilions, and the Sky Symphony finale. Inside the National Museum of Singapore, you can see that the flow is seamless with Live It at Voyagers Hall, Fuse It at the Central Futurescape Pavilion, and Hype It workshops nearby. Now swipe to your right, whereby opening day sets the tone with Live It, which sparks discovery through cultural booths. Fuse It showcases AI concierges and XR demos, and Hype It workshops like the Lanterns of Hoi An, where creations become part of a living archive.
Swipe right for day 2, which deepens immersion. Live It offers guided tasks with maker stamps for the passport, while Hype It's herbal mixology delivers hands-on wellness. Each ticket offers 1 guided task and 1 maker session.
On day 3, Live It continues at Voyagers Hall while Futurescape Pavilions spotlights eco-innovation. Hype It's Roots and Remedies workshop conclude the day, leading to Sky Symphony, an eco-pyro and low-carbon drone finale at the Green Dome. Finale day comes by Live It's Hyper Heritage in Pixel, where guests can create and bring back home their digital creation. QUISITE showcases partners' prototype and for testing and feedback, and Hype's Pulse Cons ended the day with an immersive concert.
So Ellie, can you tell us why Singapore?
Singapore is Asia's culture and minds, combining world-class landmarks, bold sustainability goals, and strong government support, the ideal stage for Culture X Fest.
Our sustainability framework consists on 3 different levels: sustainable event and travel planning to cut carbon. We use technology to preserve culture and regenerative tourism that drive local sourcing.
Our financials are conservative and diversified. Our total estimated revenue is $1.3 billion, whereas our total estimated expenditure is $1.2 billion. Hence, leaving our year one net worth to be about $94,000 with partner renewals and scale. And we also project a steady growth and profit rise from $99,000 to $135,000 by year 5.
Swipe right to see our social media marketing mock-up. Our positioning is clear.
Live it,
Fuse it,
Hype it, we can amplify creator content, AR, and partnerships using PR and live social wall. Just $12, Culture X Fest offers flexible passes with access to AI labs, cultural demos, and exclusive rewards for over 4 days.
Our marketing plan consists of 6 different phases. Phases 1 and 2 follows an awareness to engagement framework. Phases 3 to 6, we focus on conversion, live engagement during the event, and post-event retention through data insight. Now let's all watch Culture X video marketing.
Rex Fest reimagines cultural tourism, celebrate Asia's living heritage with future tech in Singapore. From planned halls and night.
Give it up for Jabel from Nanyang Polytechnic.
Javel, ni hao!
很好。
for a rhythm.
Let's invite everyone to clap their hands for Javel!
Let's welcome Zhao.
Zhao representing Indian dance from Singapore!
Mark comes. Color, music, and spice right here.
Go ahead, come!
Okay, let's welcome Alicia from the Malay dance. These are our potential sponsors.
Thank you, esteemed judges, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you. I'm sorry we couldn't finish the Malay dance. Yeah. By the way, do you know where they are from? Singapore. Do you hear that? So they know they are from Singapore. So we'd like to open the question to the judges.
May I start again? Sorry.
Okay.
As a venue owner, I saw that you are planning to have this event in MBS, which is not the cheapest venue, but you were flipping a bit quick through your financial plan. What are you planning in terms of percentage of your total overhead of your budget just for the venue?
Thank you for your question. Just to re-clarify, we're actually having our Culture X Fest event at National Museum of Singapore.
Okay. But anyway, just location-wise, in percentage, how much is the location or venue part of your total budget?
Because it's a 4 days event, it's a very long event with different stations and everything. We plan to set aside about 30 to 40% of our cost for the event itself.
Yeah, that makes
Yes.
sense. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Next question. Anybody? If no more question, I want to ask a question.
How do you intend to get a better percentage? Now, you said by 5, but the 5th year you will have 20% as the contribution margin 1. Yeah. So how do you intend to do it better? Can you do it in the 3rd year with a better percentage?
How do we improve the percentage in the better year?
Yeah,
okay.
maybe in the 3rd year.
The 30%. Because for us personally, because it's a new event, we would like to have a feedback every time we finish the event. Because throughout these 4 days, we want to see if actually like the first round is very, it's a good event for the target market. So with this feedback, we try to get in as much answers as we can for the better future events of Cultural Fest. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you. Why pass the mic to you? Huh? Okay, guys. Huh?